In recent years, phone battery capacities have gone wild. This unit in my hand, the OnePlus Turbo 6, boasts a massive 9,000 mAh battery while maintaining excellent performance, unlocking 165 FPS ultra-high frame rate gaming. Of course, it has plenty of other highlights. In this video, let's talk about the experience with this phone. We received the light silver colorway. On a matte silver base, they added 3D holographic engraving, achieving a flowing light and shadow texture. Compared to mainstream solid color designs, the OnePlus Turbo 6 keeps it simple while maintaining high recognizability. What's even more surprising is how thin and light it is. When you know it has a battery capacity of 9,000 mAh, you probably expect it to be a heavy brick, but once you pick it up, you'll find it's lighter than you imagined. Combined with the low fog, high transparency material, the silky feel, and the large curved corners, the OnePlus Turbo 6 feels very comfortable in the hand. Additionally, it uses an exclusive Submarine waterproofing architecture, supporting IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K max level waterproofing. Soaking, hot water, spraying, it fears none of it. And the flagship grade anti-drop architecture paired with the crystal shield glass screen has passed the 7 major military standard environment certifications. In terms of specs, the OnePlus Turbo 6 has 2 main focus points. One is performance. It carries the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 with built-in game kernel algorithm optimization and is equipped with a flagship grade ice cooling system. At the same time, its screen supports 165 Hz and paired with the touch chip unlocks a massive number of ultra-high frame rate games. Let's use 3 games as examples to discuss the gaming experience. The OnePlus Turbo 6 supports 144 FPS in Honor of Kings. In our ultimate test, we kept the room temperature at 25 degrees Celsius, screen brightness at 200 nits, turned audio off, and maxed out all relevant performance settings. The final data excludes the matchmaking phases. Under these conditions, the OnePlus Turbo 6 pumped out a result of 143.6 FPS. Average power consumption was 3.9 watts. After half an hour, the battery dropped by 7%. The frame rate curve is beautiful, basically staying in a full frame state. Whether laning or team fighting, there was no stuttering and the controls were smoother than the standard 120 FPS. In terms of scheduling, OnePlus shut down 2 of the 2.8 GHz A720 cores. Usage was nearly zero while actively utilizing the other cores. Doing this is likely to lower power consumption. After all, the other cores can already satisfy the performance demand. The second game is Call of Duty Mobile. The OnePlus Turbo 6 supports up to 165 FPS. For FPS games, frame rate is even critical. Compared to the standard 120 FPS, the frames per second increased by 37.5%, making the visuals smoother. Quick turns and camera pans are extremely silky, and the touch response follows perfectly. Under these operations, the average frame rate reached 164.9 FPS. Power consumption was 5.1 watts, and battery dropped 8% in half an hour. In terms of scheduling, OnePlus actively utilized all cores, fully unleashing performance. After all, the load of 165 FPS is quite significant. The third game is the classic Genshin Impact. The test scene remains Sumeru City, using a double animo resonance team, running a continuous half-hour loop at sprinting speed. The game resolution is 881p, graphics maxed out. Under these conditions, the OnePlus Turbo 6's average frame rate was 59.8 FPS, power consumption was 5.7 watts, and battery dropped 9% in half an hour. In terms of scheduling, OnePlus mainly utilized 3 of the 3.01 GHz A720 cores. CPU frequency and usage were pulled quite high, and because of the surge in frequency and usage, the average power consumption was also the highest. You can see that for different games or different loads, the OnePlus Turbo 6 has different scheduling strategies. Its core goal is to ensure full frame smoothness while lowering power consumption and heat as much as possible. Looking at the results, the OnePlus Turbo 6 does a pretty good job. The gaming experience is indeed outstanding. Another highlight of this phone is battery life. In daily usage, we did a 3-hour light battery test. The test environment remained 25 degrees Celsius, 200 nits brightness, and volume at 50%. Among the tasks, 1 hour of online video streaming consumed 5%, TikTok consumed 8%, and WebOR consumed 7%. Regarding charging, it supports 80-watt SuperVOOC. Starting from 1%, it reached half the battery in 30 minutes. A full charge took 74 minutes. For a massive 9,000 mAh battery, this charging speed is within expectations. Additionally, it supports bypass charging, 27-watt wired reverse charging, PD fast charging protocol, etc., further enriching the charging experience. Finally, let's supplement the other specs of the OnePlus Turbo 6. The front is a 6.78 6.8-inch flat screen with equal bezels on all sides. This time, OnePlus gave it a BOE 1.5K screen, refresh rate still 165 Hz. The screen size is close to the X90, a mid-sized form factor. Paired with the large corner radius, the feel and look are fantastic. The display effect is good too, plus OnePlus's Bright Eyes eye protection technology. You gotta watch your eye health when playing on your phone. Supports DC-like dimming, plus 3840 Hz PWM dimming, and uses an optical under-display fingerprint sensor. It has two cameras. The main shooter is a Sony IMX882 50 megapixels with a 1.95-inch sensor size, supporting OIS. The system is ColorOS 16 with a beautiful interface, smooth animations, and rich AI functions, supporting interconnection with Apple devices. Overall, the OnePlus Turbo 6 is a highly recommended phone. Among products in the same price range, it has a 165 Hz screen paired with the exclusively tuned Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 and ColorOS 16. Whether for ultra-high frame rate gaming or daily use, the experience is great. At the same time, it's equipped with a 9,000 mAh massive battery. The sense of battery security is unique in its price class, plus its waterproofing and drop resistance ensure the phone's durability. Alright, that's all the content for this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!